So we're going to start our service. So we're going to do RC service SNMPD start. So now it's started, which is good, which means our config file is valid as well. We're going to add it to start with the machine, which is add SNMPD default, and then we're going to test it. So we're going to copy this string up here, but we do need to change it a little bit just because at the end of the day, it's got some placeholder values in there. So specifically, where it says your community string, we just set that to public. So we need to make this public as well. And for your Pi IP, because we're on the local machine, we're just going to set this to 127.0.0.1, which is the local host, to be able to poll it for this time. But if you were on another machine, you would have to actually put in the IP address of the Pi itself. And when we do it, it says nothing is there. Let's see. I might have missed a step.